Welcome back to the CryptoWorld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, Bitcoin is still running into this important level of resistance while we're seeing some new signals show up for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which could tell us where the price is about to head next, so make sure you stick around. First of all, just starting off on the 2-hour Bitcoin charts, giving you a quick update on this previous bullish divergence, which I talked about yesterday on the channel. And obviously, if you watched my last video, I said due to this bullish divergence forming on the 2-hour Bitcoin chart, we're most likely going to see reduced bearish momentum in the short term, talking about the coming hours, maybe over the next day or so. And that's pretty much exactly what we've seen over the last one day, reduced bearish momentum. But even though we have seen less bearish momentum over the last one day for Bitcoin due to this bullish divergence, the Bitcoin price is still running into this important range of resistance, which is of course the golden pocket, and that is coming into play at roughly around $20,000, but the top of the golden pocket is sitting closer towards 20.1k. And so what we need to see in order for the price of Bitcoin to flip more bullish again and enter into another shorter term bullish trend is for the price of Bitcoin to confirm a break above around 20 to 20.1k. But so far, at least as of recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is still struggling around that price range. And now, if the price of Bitcoin can confirm a break above this golden pocket, then the next immediate level of resistance in the short term that I'll be paying attention to is this previous 50% retracement level, which is sitting at around 20,500. And anything above that level, then I'll be looking towards this previous 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is sitting at roughly around 21,000. And as for some short-term support levels, if we get more of a rejection from the golden pocket, then I'll expect some short-term support around this level right here, which is coming into play at around 19.4k approximately, and anything below that support level, then I'll expect support down towards this local low at around 18,500. And now, if you're looking at the 4-hour Bitcoin price oscillators, right now they are looking extremely neutral. They're not really bullish or bearish. As of right now, they're simply telling us that we have a lack in momentum to either direction in the shorter term. And that's because, for example, the 4-hour Bitcoin RSI is basically chopping around sideways near the middle of the RSI indicator. And on top of that, if you're looking at the histogram within the MACD indicator, right now it's almost completely flat, showing no gain in bullish momentum. But considering it's not exactly declining either, we're not seeing a lot of bearish momentum in the shorter term as well. So right now we do have a lack in momentum to either direction just in the immediate short term, which means expect some more choppy sideways price action as the most likely scenario in the short term. And if you head over to the 4-hour Ethereum chart, the 4-hour Ethereum price oscillators show something very similar. Obviously, the RSI isn't as close to the neutral level, although the RSI is still pretty much chopping around sideways, while the 4-hour Ethereum MACD currently is showing almost no momentum like the 4-hour Bitcoin MACD. So once again, this means that the most likely scenario in the immediate short term for Ethereum is most likely going to be some more choppy sideways price action, potentially over the next day or so. And then obviously I'll keep you updated in my next video. And when it comes to important support and resistance levels for Ethereum, first of all, zooming out to the daily Ethereum chart, obviously we have this important horizontal level of support based on these two previous lows, as I've been talking about over the last few days. And right now, the price of Ethereum is still running into this horizontal line of support, which is sitting at around 1420 to 1430. And so obviously it is important for Ethereum to hold above that level. Otherwise, if we see a confirmed break below around 1420, for example, so let's just say if we see a daily candle close below 1420, then that would be a strong signal on the chart telling us that we're due to potentially see the next leg to the downside. But obviously, while the price of Ethereum is still holding this support, we haven't exactly confirmed that next leg to the downside. Now, if Ethereum does end up breaking this line of support, then I would expect a drop down towards this golden pocket level of support, which back here, by the way, was previous resistance, and that is sitting at roughly around 1.3k. And as for resistance, if we actually see a bounce from this immediate level of support right here, then I would expect some resistance closer towards this previous 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is sitting at around 1.6k approximately. But other than that, nothing much has happened since yesterday, so I'm not going to stretch this video out and waste your time. And if you appreciate that, I definitely recommend you checking out these videos popping up right here on your screen, because the video in the top left of your screen shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is going either up or down, and the video in the bottom left of your screen shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is chopping around sideways like what we're seeing at the moment. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.